Hello, if you have this kind of a stove, propane mini stove, and it's leaking, so once you put it here and you're trying to lock it, you see this this one goes in here. This one, it sits in here like that, okay, and then you lock it. But when you lock it, you hear this, so it's leaking. You see that? So be careful. Never operate this when you hear the sound of leaking or you smell the protein or propane. This is the protein. So to avoid this leaking, as you see here, this one, this is where it sits here, this one. Okay, this one will basically push, you see, out this one, tight up this can against this tight, you see. So this one for some reason get pushed back a little bit, so you need to use pliers and then move it like this way, you see. Maybe a little bit more. Yeah, just like that. Okay, now this should work. No more leak, stopped. But also, if you don't hear the sound of leak, if you can't hear the sound of the leak, you can smell it. So before you operate, make sure you smell. If there's no protein or propane leaking out, it's safe to operate. If you smell any propane or protein, smell it. Do not operate. Adjust this, and then try again. So this is how it works. You see. You see this one, it's tight now. Put this one in. Set it like that. Push this way. Now it's safe. Once you're done, make sure you release this.